tired of using a remote control for your air conditioner? Well, meet the Toch AC. All you need to do is swipe this baby, and the room is automatically filled with cool, refreshing air.
Look at this imbecile, doing the rain dance, trying to control the temperature. Bouncing like that, I'd probably sweat like a pig anyway. When I want to control the temperature, I use Sensibo. It's based on a simple idea, really. Just make me feel good. Hey, Paul and Dan, what's the temperature in the room right now?
19 degrees Fahrenheit.
Is it hot or cold?
Hot.
You see, nobody cares what the exact temperature is. It's just about being comfortable. Sensibo is a device that turns any remote-controlled AC into a connected, super smart one. So smart, in fact, that if you choose full automatic mode, you'll never have to think about your AC ever again. Sensibo turns up the heat before you wake up in the winter. It cools your house down before you come home in the summer. It's like your mom and dad, just without having to hear about his back problems. Hi, Mom. I'd like to take a brief moment and explain how Sensibo's installed. Oh look, here's the team behind Sensibo. Engineers, designers, visionaries. They've invested years of their lives in this product, not only to make your life more comfortable, but also because of a green agenda. Not that. The other green. Yes, Sensibo reduces the energy your AC uses by an average of 40%, making it good for the planet and for your electricity bill. Personally, I don't care about Earth, but if it doesn't bother me, I don't mind letting it exist. Live in a rented apartment? Sensibo can be moved from AC to AC. Here's how. Sensibo even works with your 20-year-old remote-controlled AC, because an old dog can learn new tricks. Fetch.
We're ready to show the world what it's all about. Check this!
AirDog is a quadcopter that automatically follows the rider and captures the action using a GoPro camera. AirDog flies and follows, making sure that your every move is perfectly captured.
AirDog follows the rider by tracking the air leash. Air leash sends control commands and tracking signal to the drone.
Why confine yourself to stationary videos or a ground level perspective? The AirDog takes things to a whole new level. It's a totally hassle-free way to get unreal footage. You don't need remote control skills. You don't need to operate the drone. You just need to concentrate on your best performance. AirDog does the rest. Put the air leash on your wrist or helmet, turn the AirDog and remote on, press takeoff, and you're done. Let the games begin. AirDog is now in action. You can make any necessary altitude adjustments or set the distance and angle, and you're good to go. More advanced features like track or lap recording or specific flight modes can be configured or uploaded from a smartphone app. It doesn't matter what I'm doing, skating, surfing, snowboarding, or even filming my indie movie. AirDog is right there. It's like my personal cameraman. You don't have to worry about framing the shots or getting the right angle. AirDog has a gyro-stabilized gimbal that will do everything for you. It's never been this easy to look this good on.
Hi, I'm Raphael, the founder of Neo. Let's talk about the things around us. We have so many different devices and each one has their own remote or app. You end up with so many, jumping from one remote to another, or when using an app, finding your phone, unlocking it, finding the right app, and waiting until the app is ready. It's cumbersome and inconvenient. It would be so much easier to control everything from one place. That's why we have created Neo. Neo is a smart system that connects to all the devices in your home and makes them available in one easy-to-use app. And for the ultimate simplicity, use the Neo remote. It recognizes you and lets you control everything instantly. So whether you're watching a movie, setting mood lighting, relaxing with your favorite music, or lowering the window shades, Neo makes it effortless. And trust us, setting all of this up is insanely simple. To make Neo absolutely amazing, we assembled a team with expertise in home automation, software, hardware, and consumer product design. We truly inspired each other to create something really special.
After a year of research and development, we have perfected the remote. You will be delighted with the results. Neo has just the buttons which are absolutely needed, so you get that tactile feedback whether cranking up the volume or flicking through the channels. Neo includes a superb high-density touchscreen display, surpassing even Apple's high-power Retina standard. We embedded a hand detection technology into Neo, for which we have a patent pending. The technology knows you and shows you your favorites instantly. And Neo will even help you set and manage parental controls. Neo goes months without needing to be charged, and if you can't find it, use your phone to activate the SOS so you know where it's hiding. Devices like Apple TV, Nest, Hue, Sonos, Roku, and over 10,000 other major audiovisual devices are supported right from the box. Our driver team adds more devices every day, so even if you don't have the latest devices, Neo will just work. We've been spending a lot of time testing devices in electronic stores and repair shops, and that's why it is insanely easy to set up Neo.
We are currently producing the first Neos. If you order it now, you will belong to the first people to own one. Thank you.
Whatever happened to the days in mobile when companies were constantly pushing the boundaries of innovation and design, putting out products that were sometimes even considered wacky?
We needed to design a device that was not only an incredible phone, but also an amazing wearable.
I used to repair a lot of phones that had cracked screens or were water damaged, and did it quite frequently. And when I took apart a lot of these phones, I noticed that a lot of the brands shared similar construction and design techniques, and oftentimes used materials that were obsolete, like screws, and using rigid and fragile materials like glass and even steel, and thought to myself, there had to be a better way. We first started with a lot of different types of concepts and designs, and after a lot of iterations and testing and vetting, we really kind of narrowed it down to two designs, which was a large and a small, and before you knew it, the Portal was born.
We needed to ensure that it was not only waterproof, but also flexible, shatterproof, and wearable.
We needed to build a team of incredible people with a wide range of skill sets who are all unified to pursue our mission and break the mold of the mobile market. The problem with the mobile market right now is that the phones are all the same, and what little differentiation they have is that some are less user-friendly and some are less durable. Things like this still happen, so we're here to change that.
With the vibrant palettes, clean typography and easy to understand icon set, the Portal UI is an experience that cannot be missed. Why be stuck with the same old design when you've got a new refreshing interface to play with? An interface that helps you interact, that knows what you want and works with you in the way that you want it to work.
The Portal not only has all the features you would expect, such as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and NFC, but also has a waterproof Kevlar-infused polyurethane body, a 6-inch flexible display, wireless charging, an unlocked network, and so much more.
Have you ever wondered what life would be like if everything around you just simply works? We're proud to bring you the button, the world's simplest user interface. Technology often makes things better, but simpler technology makes things work in a very human way. Button is part of Open Home Labs. It's compatible with open home service providers worldwide. Because the button is directly connected to the internet, it can also simplify your life in the office.
Taxi, please.
What you can do with the button is really only limited by your imagination. Here are some scenarios suggested to us by our customers and fans.